check up the view deck. You have water access, pumping water. There's a comfort room. Everywhere you have comfort room. That's a good thing. See that? Clean. Wow, the view. Seriously, beautiful. Look. Look at the view. So, right now it's almost like 12:50. I'm leaving this view deck. Seriously, worth it. We are going St. Valentine, small mountain over there, to check out the view. Looks beautiful from here, but I want to go see in person. From here, probably like a 5 minutes hike up and down. That's going to be mind blowing. Always friendly people over here. Wow. So many view deck. I'll straight away go there first. Small fountain with a fish. Seriously. Let's have a look. Let's go. There's a two-way. We'll go this way, come back from this way. Maybe another 30 seconds. This is a little bit steep hike right now. Wow. Everywhere, the view was fantastic. Look at it. Beautiful. Look at it. How it looks like. Nice. Let's check it out. Saint Valentine. He's the one responsible for Valentine's Day. So now everybody crazy about it. Wow. Nobody can reach over there. I don't know how to show you except the drone shot. There is no way I can reach over there. It's very hard to reach. So only we can fly drone to get it out. I cannot go closer than this. So I'll fly my drone and check it out. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Alright, right now is 1:40. I'm leaving this place. I'm going to have some lunch. Then I'm going to explore Children's Island. Then zipline, cave diving. These three activities pending. Let's do it. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.